Today we're going to learn how to count from 1 to 10 and spell the numbers. So let's hop to it in Sketch. 1. O-N-E. 1. One basketball. 2. T-W-O. 1. 2. Two bananas. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 1, 2, 3. 3 trains. 4. F-O-U-R. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fish. 5. F-I-V-E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 buckets. 6. S-I-X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lollipops. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cars. 9. N-I-N-E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 roosters. 10. T-E-N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 planets. Great job. Now, let's review. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome! If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.